is not bird's eye crispy chips. TI dials. Boring silver. 128,131. I'm not trying to con anyone. The mileage on the new one is a little bit less. Not much. I think it's marginal, but we'll find out. So we've got a thing up there, a little tool, and we're just gonna pop that off and lose all the clips from it immediately. Great. So that's what they should be. That's where they're not. That's where it is. What is then revealed are two. Alan! It's not 10mm. Very small. Little bobble head on them, so you can go in at a bit of an angle. And then this is what you're left with. The reason why it's stubborn is because of these little nubbins either side. There's nothing really on the bottom. It just kind of just sits in and then clips back. There's your two plugs. The red one, they both go to 160 miles an hour, which I think is very optimistic. 6,000 RPM, also very optimistic. But this one is slightly less mileage, 3,000 miles different, according to the seller. So let me pop this one in. Semi-installed. I haven't put them all the way home yet, in case it doesn't work. Let us turn on the ignition. Oh yes. My engine, that's because I'm on a hill. Right. 124, 211. So that's the difference in the mileage. And that's the reason why I had to buy this cluster and not use one out of the saloon. Because I wanted the correct picture. It needed to be the right graphic. I couldn't have a saloon one, could I? It would be wrong. Happy days. Right, now I'm going to do a proxy alignment to stop that from flashing. Doing the proxy alignment. I'm hoping it should sync the mileage from the body computer to the cluster. Let's see. Let's check it out. Well, it hasn't. Still 124,000. Okay, well, fair enough. Reinsert the screws. Clip the trim back in. I have done. Is in. Enjoy the new TI experience. Lovely. That's the next job then.